Keir Starmer has been encouraged to sort out conscription. So what do you think about that? A lot of ex-NATO leaders, a lot of military experts are now pressing on Keir Starmer to put forward conscription. Would you volunteer for conscription? Would you let your children sign up for the army? Now, at the moment, the military, the army, they've got 70,000 troops. That's all they've got, 70,000 troops. And Keir Starmer has already promised the Ukraine 30,000 as part of a peacekeeping force. 30,000 for the Ukraine. Absolutely madness. So the experts are saying if he wants to send 30,000 troops to Ukraine, he's going to sort out conscription. He's going to have to force people to join the army, because he's spent a fortune on advertising to get people to join up, and people are not joining up. So I want to know off you, do you think conscription is a good idea? And if you do, would you join up? Or do you think we should start looking after our country and making it safe instead of sending soldiers over to other countries? Let me know in the comments.